Hi, today I'll be showing you the basic tutorial for Rhythmic Pro, how to log in, blob chart, and code board, and a dome, and how to place a trade. So, if it's your first time, you should have received an email with your username. It's usually your email address, and a password. So go ahead and check your email to open the email from Rhythmic, and you'll have your username and a password. And make sure you select the Rhythmic paper trading and the area. I'm near the Chicago, so Chicago. Just log in. If this is your first time logging into Rhythmic, you will need to do the Rhythmic subscription, the agreement. So it basically it'll give the link, and all you need to do is follow the link and click it, and you should have this window as well. And once you logged in, this is how you can pull up a chart. Click chart, and you can do double click on the symbol that exchange, this column, and it'll give you all the exchange list. So go ahead and click. I'll be looking at the CME, the E-mini S&P. So I'll find the symbol. ES, E-mini S&P, and double click it. And you can do the from month for ES, which is H6. And go ahead and click add and close it. And here is your ES, the from month. So this is the chart, and you can play with that. If you want to add the indicator, just right click and click studies and overlays, and go on like moving average, like simple moving average, the period 14 if you like it, and click apply, and there is your chart with simple moving average. So if you like it, one of the tips for the Rhythmic Pro, you'll need to attach it as a window. So it means we'll just go ahead and attach this to the window. So even though you log out and log back in, this chart will be attached because we attached the window. And let's say if you want to open the depth of market, which is a order book, the Rhythmic, and so we can do the double click again and get the CME again, or products, E-mini S&P, so it's going to be ES. And we'll do the from month as well. Edit. I'm gonna go ahead and close it. And you'll need to select your account. And just adjust the window. So now you can send a quantity here, either 1 or 2. 1. It's a clear 1. And if you want to place an order as a limit, you can just do left click, and now the order is open as a buy limit. And this one, it can simply cancel by right click and a click X button. And so if you want to check your recent orders, the list of the orders, it'll show up right here. So since we just canceled that, it shows up. And since we wanna keep the depth of market, I am going to attach the window so it doesn't disappear. And I am going to click the recent orders again. Make it a little smaller, like this. And working orders and complete orders, it'll show up right here. And I want to attach this window as well. Make it smaller, put it there. And so any open positions, you can click this, and so any open position, you can see it on this window too. So I am going to adjust a little bit. So anything, any open positions, you will see it in here. And that's what you do. Yeah, so that's it. So anything, if you want to feel history, you can go ahead and click and see. And it's pretty transparent right here. You can see everything. And yeah, this is the basic tutorial for Rhythmic Pro. Thank you.